Hey everybody, this is Francis, and this is another episode of Bayani Talk. Hey everybody, this is Francis, and this is another episode of Bayani Talk, and today we're going to talk about a red-handed poser. Okay, so normally I don't usually post any negative videos out there. If I don't like something, I just don't post it. I don't even discuss it on my channel. But this one, this one just takes a little bit of, well, I had to do it because it was so bad. It was just so bad. So every so often now, because through our multiple channels, such as social media channels, such as TikTok, which is, here's the TikTok address for that, the handle for that one. For our FMA school on Facebook, here's the handle for that one, as well as YouTube, of course, which is where you guys are watching this, as well as Instagram. I mean, this is just where y'all can find 413 Media Group. And so, but then I get a lot of requests. Okay, now, of course, I'm grateful for those people who've clicked like or subscribed to my channel. And then every so often, I go check out their channel. Especially now that TikTok is such a new channel for us, that I started kind of checking that out a little bit. So then now I saw this one person that added me, and I just decided to check out his videos, and then something stood out, which is what I'm going to be explaining right now. All right, so as you can see, this is the guy. Look at this. I mean, this kid. This is the kid, man. I mean, I don't think he. No offense. I mean, again, I don't think he's grown any facial hair yet, but he looks pretty young. Okay. And as you can see in his movement, it's very, you can tell if somebody is a seasoned Filipino martial arts practitioner. Here's his channel, right? And yeah, so you can see some videos, and then yeah, so you can see what he's doing. So now in this video, he's talking about that he is the Red Fighter. Now I want you to notice that he's wearing red. He's wearing these particular pants. So now he's the Red Fighter, and watch as they're about to start their match. They start sparring. And then, so the blue fighters are jumping around, but then the red fighter's pretty stationary. Okay, and they're pretty square fighters. Like, as you can, they're very they stand up straight. And then all of a sudden, in this video, he's saying that he's the blue fighter. But they switch pants. Kind of weird. Okay, so again, this is the way this person is fighting. Again, it's two different fighters. They didn't switch armor. But according to this video, this is his channel. He's saying that he is the Red Fighter, and again, look at the pants. Okay, he's the Red Fighter, and then later on, he says he's the Blue Fighter, and again, they switch pants. And I'm like, what the heck are you doing, bro? That's just kind of crazy. Okay, now he's saying that he is the Black Fighter in this one. Now, it just, to me, it's crazy because the fighting style is completely different, and and this was, by the way, many years ago. This, so this video is quite old. I've seen this video before. Where am I seen it? You may be asking me. Well, let me just point out something real quick. See the referee behind that video? That's my teacher. That's Guru Henry. I was in this tournament when this happened, and this was, trust me, guys, this was in the early early 2010s or something like that. I'm sorry, yeah. It was before 2008. It was before I moved to the Philippines. So this was in the mid 2000s. Now, again, going back to this kid, I don't think he was even alive. Even if he was definitely still like an infant at that time. So I feel kind of bad for calling him out, but he's using other people's skills and ability to bolster his own. Okay, so to this person, if you're a real practitioner, then just own it. Take your time, do your homework, and just take your time to get there. Don't try to cheat, and don't try to get followers just because you're doing it. I mean, now you got caught red-handed. That's my teacher. The referee there is my teacher, and I did not see you there in that tournament. I was there in that tournament. That was in Westminster, California, off of Beach Boulevard. I mean, I don't know how much more specific I can give you. Okay, I was there in that tournament, and you were not there. You were not old enough to have been there, nor have you. And then even the fighting style was completely different. Now in his channel, he's saying he's a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu practitioner, as well as Silat practitioner and an FMA practitioner. Well, I mean, just the way you move is not consistent. Notice that he uses low quality videos to use this because so that you can't see anything. Because yeah, that's how you spot out a red-handed poser. Now, to this person, don't do it, man. Don't do it. Just use your own stuff, dude. Don't try to piggyback on somebody else's hard work because it took them a long time to get there. Don't try to piggyback off of them. So that's just kind of like my rant. It's not really like a Bayani, but that's kind of like my rant. Because I don't know. It's just I don't know. It was too insane for me not to comment on that. So do you guys agree? Do you believe that this guy was really the fighter that he's talking about? Comment down below. Now I am asking that you guys please be civil, but yeah, go ahead and comment down below. And if please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so that you are immediately alerted when there's a new content or new video that drops as well as upcoming events. Until then, I'm Francis from Bayani Talk 413 Media Group. Peace out, God bless, and keep swinging them sticks.